Hello, Namaste. I'm Nitin Kaushik, a proud Indian yoga teacher. So today I'm going to teach you Bakasana or the crane pose. In my last video, I taught you Kakasana or the crow pose. Basically, this is for the beginners. If beginners want to practice Bakasana or the crane pose, so first they should practice Kakasana or the crow pose, because in Kakasana our elbows or our arms are bent, so this is easy to practice, easy to follow for the beginners. And Bakasana is basically for the intermediate or advanced practitioners, and also beginners. If the beginners want to practice Bakasana, so first they will practice the Kakasana. So after practicing Kakasana or the crow pose, if beginners become perfect in the Kakasana, so then they can go further for the Bakasana. So today I am going to teach you Bakasana or the crane pose. So this video is for all practitioners, for beginners, intermediate and advanced practitioners. So if beginners are perfect in the Kakasana, so they can go further for the Bakasana. And if some intermediate or advanced practitioner want to be perfect in the Bakasana, or if they want to go in Bakasana with the easy steps, so this video is for them. So in this video I will teach some basic and simple tips and the proper alignment and the perfect way to doing Bakasana. And so it will be easy for all the practitioners, for the beginners, for the intermediate and advanced practitioners to go into the Bakasana from the Kakasana. So first I will go into the Kakasana, the elbows, the arms will be bent. Then I will go into the Bakasana from the Kakasana. So then I will straighten my arms and will go into the Bakasana. So let's start. So first I will teach how beginners can do Bakasana. So after practicing the Kakasana, how beginners can go into the Bakasana or the crane pose. So there are two methods of doing Bakasana. So first I will show you one of the methods. So first of all we have to come in the Malasana. So first sit into the Malasana. So I will teach the proper alignment to sit into the Malasana. So you can keep your both feet together and you can keep your palms on the mat. So first I will show you the proper alignment of the palms. So keep your both index finger parallel to each other and spread out all your fingers and push your palms firmly on the mat. Now bring your tricep muscle, bring your upper arm under your knee like this, and you have to lock your elbow, you have to lock your tricep muscle in your knee and keep your palm on mat like this from here. Now you have to look forward, and in this posture you lift your heels up and come on your toes. Now shift your body weight on your arms like this and lift your toes, lift your heels up and come on your toes and look front. Then you can try lift your one leg up, then another and look front. So this is the Kakasana, the elbows are bent. So now from the Kakasana I will go into the Bakasana. So push your palms on the mat and push your shin bone into your upper arm and lift your rib cage and look front and make your arms straight. And lift your rib cage up and come. So this is the Bakasana. So how beginners can do Bakasana. So now I will teach you the second method of doing Bakasana. So keep your palms on the mat like this. You can bend your both knees. So open your both arms shoulder width apart, and now you have to rotate your arms outside, like the elbow should be pointing back side. Now keep your both knees on tricep muscle and keep your arms straight and move your shoulder forward as your body weight come on your arms and look towards the front. Now keep your arms straight and try to lift your heels up, and you can try to lift your one leg up, then second, then one, then second, and you can lift your both legs up like this. So this is how beginners can do Bakasana. So now I will teach you how intermediate and the advanced members can do Bakasana. So So bend your knees. Now bend your elbows, and you can keep your both knees under your armpits and look forward and make your arms straight and keep your body weight on your arms. Now you can try to lift your one leg up, then second, and then you can lift your both legs up like this. And down. So this is the one method how intermediate and advanced practitioner can do Bakasana. And now the second method. So first again sit into Malasana and keep your palms on the mat. Now keep your knees under your armpits and lift your toes up. Now bend your elbows and lift your both toes up, and now try to make your arms straight. Push your palms on the mat and push your shin bone on your upper arms and try to make your arms straight and look front. So this is the second method how intermediate and advanced practitioner can do Bakasana. So if you cannot make your arms perfectly straight, so it is not a problem, don't worry. So if you will practice this posture regularly in your daily life, so of course you can make your arms straight soon. So keep practicing, and of course you can perfectly make your arms straight. So thank you so much to watch this video. I hope you would like this video and you will get more benefits after practice, after seeing this video. So namaste.